Hello, my name is Rob, and today we're going to talk about Unit 10 of the Cambridge LMS. And this is about two topics. This is about the present perfect continuous and the present perfect. So first, let's see this question. Can you see it? This first question is, what have you been doing lately? What have you been doing lately? That's a question a friend of yours can ask you if he hasn't seen you in a while, right? Hey, what have you been doing lately? The answer could be, I've been going to a pottery class. You know, pottery class, you're doing something, right? Something manual, so you've been going to a pottery class. Okay, so if you see this sentence, I've been going to a pottery class, that sentence describes an activity that is continuing now, but began at some time in the past. I've been going to a pottery class, so it means that it began maybe 1 week ago, or maybe 1 month ago, or 1 year ago. So it began in the past, but it's still happening now. So it's an activity that started in the past, but is still happening now. Okay, good. So this is what we call the present perfect continuous. See? That's the name of the tense, so do not worry if you do not forget this well, but the name is not important actually. So this is the present perfect continuous, right? What is the structure of this tense? If you see, there is have or has, right? It depends if it's he, she, or it. That would be has, right? Then there is the word been, and then you have this, the verb plus ing, right? I've been going to a pottery class. What have you been doing lately? I've been studying for my English exam. You're very smart. That's a good question. What have you been doing lately? I've been going to the gym. I want to work out a lot. Oh, that's pretty healthy. What have you been doing lately? I've been traveling around the world because I want to know everywhere. So I have been traveling around the world. So you see, I have been studying for my English exam. I have been going to the gym, or I have been working out, or I have been traveling around the world. So you see, the structure is this. I could also say, he has been going to the gym. She has been traveling around the world, or he has been studying for his English exam. So I can use have or has, either of them. Now let's see this other question. Can you read it? It says, what things have you made so far? This is the second question. So the first question was, what have you been doing lately, right? And the other person says, I've been going to a pottery class. So if you've been going to a pottery class, clase de alfarería, if you've been going to this pottery class, well, what things have you made so far? I actually should put this word in red, because this word is important. So what things have you made so far? Hasta ahora, what things have you made so far? I've made 8 vases and 2 bowls. So if you see this sentence, in this case this sentence describes something, an activity that began at some time in the past and still is going on, but the speaker is interested in the result of the activity or how many times the activity has happened until now.